Please subscribe and press the bell icon for more content.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to make a trifold restaurant menu card design in Microsoft Word. First of all, open your Microsoft Word. You can see here I open my Microsoft Word 2016 version, and you can easily make any version like your Microsoft Word. First of all, make the size, go to the layout, you can see here, and click the layout, go to the margin and choose the margin is narrow, and click the size, choose the A4 size on here, and click the orientation, choose the landscape. You can see here our page is ready for design now. Here you can see here, and let go to the design and click the insert and choose the shapes. You can see here, and go to the choose the rectangle shapes on here and draw this rectangle shapes something like this. You can see here, and go to the edit option. You can see here and click the edit point, and this point is deleted, and right click on here and delete this point. You can see here, and click this point and right click on here and click the add point, and this also right click on here and add point. You can see here just like this, and click this point and little bit down it on here, and this also little bit down it on here. You can see here, and this is also little bit increase on here. This is little bit down it here, little bit zoom in on here, and this also click this point, and this also little bit up it here, and this also little bit up it on here. You can see here just like this, and click this shapes and choose, go to the format and click the edit point and click this point little bit. This one is the better now on here like this. Maybe like this. You can see here, and click these shapes and go to the format and click the shape outline and make it no outline on here. You can see here just like this, and choose the color. Maybe I choose this one, black color on here like this. You can see here just like this, and click these shapes and press Ctrl D, duplicate on here, and go to the format and choose the shape fill is no fill, and outline is the black outline. No fill color and shape outline is the black outline, and little bit increase the size. This also increase the size, maybe like this. You can see here just like this, and go to the edit point option, a little bit edit. This one is the better now on here. You can see, click the shapes and little bit up it here, little bit down it here. You can see just like this, and click this right side on here, adjust the shapes maybe like this. You can see here just like this, and go to the insert and choose the shapes and choose the oval shapes on here. You can see, and draw this oval shapes something like this one is the better now on here like this, like this. And go to the insert and click the text box and choose the text on here. You can see, and go to the home and click the clear all formatting and choose the no spacing on here, and simply type your menu. You can see here, and choose the font whatever you can using. I'm simply using this one font, and little bit increase. You can see here, and choose the color whatever you can using. Simply I choose more color and custom color, go to this one color, and I choose this red color on here. Maybe I choose this one. Dark orange color is the better now on here, like this you can see, and select all and increase the font size whatever you can using. Simply I choose this one, font size 28, like this, and press Ctrl D to duplicate this text, and select all, Ctrl A, and type your restaurant, caps lock on RESTAURANT into restaurant, and simply select it and choose the font whatever you can using. Simply I choose this calligraphy font on here, and like this, little bit increase the font size, maybe like this, and select the color. Maybe I choose white color, like this. You can see here, just like this, and simply insert, go to the shapes and text box, and draw this text box something like this, and this is also a little bit down it here, and go to the noise spacing and choose the, I already typed the random text on here, and simply I copy and paste on here, and simply this text is copy, and go to the this one is the paste on here, like this. You can see here, just like this. Simply this one is the better now on here, insert, center alignment, like this, and select the font whatever you can using. Simply I choose this Bardana font on here, like this, and go to the format and choose the no fill and no outline on here, and simply select all, choose the color, font color is white, something like this. You can see here, just like this, a little bit down it here, and go to the insert and choose the shapes is line shapes. You can see here, and draw this line shape, something like this, and choose the color. This one color is the better now on here, and weight is little bit bold, maybe like this, and press Ctrl D this line shapes and drag it on here, maybe like this. Simply decrease the size and press Ctrl D to duplicate these shapes and drag it and drop it here, maybe like this. Simply head on is ready for now on here, like this. Maybe like this. You can see here, like this on here. Click these shapes and press Ctrl D to duplicate on here and drag it, maybe like this one is the better now on here, something like this. And go to the insert, again choose the rectangle shapes on here, and draw this rectangle shapes, something like this, little bit decrease this one also, and choose the black color, maybe like this, and send to backward is here, and press Ctrl D to duplicate and choose the no fill color, and outline is this one outline color, orange type color, a little bit increase the line and increase this shape size. Press Ctrl Shift button and increase the shape size, maybe like this, little bit down it on here, like this, and simply send to backward on here, maybe like this. Click the shapes and little bit increase the line size, like this. You can see here, and little right side on here, left side on here, and simply Go to the insert and choose the shapes and draw the shapes, something like these shapes. Little bit right side, left side on here, this also left side on here. Go to the edit point option and delete it and click this point a little bit, pop it in here, maybe like this one is the better now on here, and choose the color is black color, outline is no outline, like this, and simply click these shapes and press Ctrl D to duplicate and drag it on here, maybe like this, you can see here, just like this, and click these shapes and go to the format and choose the pictures, whatever you can using the pictures, and simply I choose the pizza pictures on here. Simply I downloaded all images for Google. You can easily download this image for Google. You can see here I choose, where is my image, new food, choose this image and simply I insert it. You can see here and go to the format, this one format is here, pictures tool format, and choose the crop, little bit increase the font, little bit increase this size, like this, you can see here, just like this, and click these shapes and go to the format, outline color is orange outline color, and word is whatever you can using, and simply I go to the more, and word you can using whatever you can using, simply I using 12 pt, like this, 11 also is better, 11 pt, you can see here, just like this, and this also choose the pictures, and simply I go to the pictures and I choose again burger image, you can see here, just like this, simply like this, go to the format and crop it here, this one is the better now on here, and simply outline is 11 pt, and outline color is orange color is better now on here. This also choose image, go to format and say fill, choose pictures, whatever you can using the pictures, simply I choose this sandwich pictures and simply drag it on here, like this, go to the format, crop it on here little bit, increase, like this, maybe like this, and outline also same process, 11 pt, and choose the outline color orange, like this, you can see here, just like this, and go to the insert and choose the shapes and go to the rounded rectangle shapes and draw this rounded rectangle shape, something like this, and little bit rotate on here, like this, and simply choose the color, simply I choose the black color, this one, no outline on here, like this, you can see, just like this, and simply type your name on here, press Ctrl D, duplicate on here and drag it here, best pizza, like this, and simply select it and choose this font is, this one is the better now here, PIZZA pizza, best pizza, select it, choose the font is, this one font is better now on here, check the on bold, like this, this one also select the font, dark bold font, like this, and change the color. Simply I choose this, select this text, and I choose this one. Font is better now on here. And again go to the, click these shapes and press Ctrl D, duplicate on here and drop it on this here like this. Like this. And click this text and press Ctrl D to duplicate on here and drag it on here. Select all, SANDWICH, sandwich, and select the color is white color and choose the font is this one. Font is better now here. Check the unbold, little bit down it here and drag it this side, maybe like this. You can see here, just like this our design. And go to the, again choose the insert and go to the shapes and choose the rectangle shapes on here and draw this rectangle shapes something like this, and click this the edit point option and right click on here. This point is right click on here and add point. This also right click on here, add point, and little bit this one is little bit, this one is like this shapes on here, maybe like this, little bit decrease the size, something like this. And click this text and press Ctrl D to duplicate on here and type your special, SPECIA, special. Select it, a little bit increase the font size, something like this, and choose the color, these shapes, and I choose this dark orange. Outline is no outline, maybe like this. And click this text and press Ctrl D to duplicate on here and type the burger, 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 and select it and choose the font whatever you can using and simply down it on here and choose the font is bold font, like this one. Font is the better now on here, maybe like this. You can see just like this, and simply go to the insert and choose the oval shapes on here and draw this oval shapes something like this, little bit decrease, and choose the black color. Outline is no outline, drag it simply this one side, maybe like this. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, and this side so on here, press Ctrl D to duplicate, and this side also here, maybe like this. And this one color is orange, this one color also orange. Press Ctrl D to duplicate and drag it. This one side like this. Press Ctrl D to duplicate this one side and choose this the black color. Press Ctrl D to duplicate and this one side like this. You can see just like this here, maybe like this. And press Ctrl D to duplicate on here and drag it down it on here like this, maybe like this. And this also press Ctrl D to duplicate on here like this, something like this. And go to the our randomly text on here and simply I select this, this one is select and copy and simply insert and choose the text box and draw the text box something like this and paste it on here, maybe like this. Select it and go to the home and line spacing is 0 and remove space after paragraph on here, maybe like this, and simply drag. This one is the better now here, and select this and bold it on here and select this text and Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste, Ctrl V to paste, Ctrl V to paste. like this. This one is, and go to the format and choose the no outline color, no fill color, like this. And simply click this text shapes and press Ctrl D to duplicate a little bit. Increase the size, maybe like this. Press Ctrl D to duplicate and drag it on here. Press Ctrl D to duplicate and drag it on here. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, drag it on here, like this. Something like this. Little bit up, little bit up, little bit down it here, like this. You can see here, just like this. And simply choose the text box on here and type your text is $10, like this. Select it and choose the black color and like this, and little bit increase the font size, it's bold on here, and drag it here, maybe like this. Ctrl D to duplicate on here and like drag it on here, and simply press Ctrl D to duplicate on here and drag it on here, maybe like this. Press Ctrl D to duplicate on here, drag it here, something like this. One is better now here. And simply select this text and press Ctrl D to duplicate and drag it on here. Maybe like this, and little bit down it here, and right side on here. And simply go to the select and select object and select this both, and right click on here, group, and press Ctrl D to duplicate and drag it on here and drop it like this. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, like this. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, and this one also drag it on here. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, and this one also drag it on here, like this. Better now on here. Like this, you can see here, just like this. And simply go to the insert and choose the shapes and choose this the text box and draw this text box, something like this. And choose this one is here and press copy, Ctrl C and Ctrl V to paste on here, and go to the no spacing. You can see just like this. And simply this one is the 12 font, this also 12 font size is better now on here, and select it and choose the Vardhana font like this. This one is the better now on here, and select it, bold, Ctrl B to bold, and copy, and simply press enter, press enter, paste, 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 like this. Little bit down it here. Okay, here go to the format and fill color is no fill, outline is no outline, maybe like this. And select it and choose the color, simply white color, and I select this text and choose this the orange color. This one is orange, this also orange color, this also orange color. Select it and choose color, select it, choose color. This is the white color, like this. You can see here, just like this. And simple select it, little bit increase the font size, just like this. And simply click this text and press Ctrl D to duplicate and drag it on here, and simply choose this text and press Ctrl D to duplicate and drag it. Press Ctrl D to duplicate and drag it. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, drag it. Press Ctrl D to duplicate and drag it this side. press Ctrl D to duplicate, drag it this side, maybe like this, and choose this text and white color, this also white color, and so white color, like this. And this side is the make the shapes. Simply I make the shapes on here. Go to the insert and choose the rectangle shapes like this. Same shapes. No, choose not. Click these shapes and press Ctrl D to duplicate, and click these shapes, press Ctrl D to duplicate, a little bit decrease the size, something like this, and rotate it here, whatever you can rotate, maybe like this. This is like this here, and drag it here, something like this, and click this shapes and press Ctrl D to duplicate and drag it here, and little bit increase the size, maybe like this. And this is outline is minimum 6 pt, maybe like this. You can see here just like this, and click these shapes and press Ctrl D to duplicate, and go to the shape fill. Color is no fill, outline is the black outline, and drag it, same process, little bit increase. Like this, and send to backward here, like this, and click these shapes and go to the shape fill and choose the pictures. I choose this string pictures on here, simply like this, and go to the format and choose the crop and increase this one is better now on here, like this, and simply type your free drink on here. Simply I choose this one shapes and press Ctrl D to duplicate and drag it, little bit increase the font, increase the size, and drag it and drop it on here. And simply I choose this one, color is the white color, and choose this text, press Ctrl D to duplicate and drag it, and simply select this text, and I choose the black color, and simply type it free drink, and simply decrease the font size, whatever you can using, and simply I drag it on here, and this is little bit decrease the size, this shapes it, and drag it here like this. You can see here our completely design is ready for now on here. Click this and press Ctrl D to duplicate and drag it here. It will decrease the size, something like this. Our tri-fold restaurant menu card design is ready for now here. You can see here, and go to the save page and print also here, and simply type the menu like this. You can see here. I hope you are understand this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.